Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and after that you need to provide your passcode or your fingerprints in order to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to first select the Dogecoin. So in order to select it, you will have to tap on this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Doge. Once done, you are able to find Dogecoin, so you simply need to tap on it. Now as we want to transfer our Dogecoin from Trust Wallet, you need to tap on the send button. Now over here it will ask you to provide the address or the domain name. So you need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to provide your email address and your password into it in order to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the deposit button in the top right hand corner, and then you need to tap on deposit crypto. Now over here you need to use this search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Dogecoin. And once you have found Dogecoin, you simply need to tap on that, and then you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of it. So you just have to copy the deposit address of Dogecoin from Binance, and after that you need to come to Trust Wallet and you simply need to paste that address over here. Then you need to enter the amount of Dogecoin that you want to transfer from your Trust Wallet account to your Binance account. Afterwards you need to press next. On the next page, you need to review all the information that you have mentioned previously, and then you just have to confirm your transfer. This way you will be able to easily transfer your Dogecoin from your Trust Wallet to Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.